looks like a banged-up meadow. The blade in the bottle is purely decorative. Flavour the vodka with the essence of the glass. The glass is loaded into a huge drum and heated for 3 hours. Then it's soaked for 3 days in a mixture of water and alcohol. The result is bison grass extract.